Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you watch this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. First thing I want to do is say thank you to the channel members, and thank you to all the subscribers, and thank you to just anybody who comes in to take the time to check out my knife, my EDC content. I appreciate you all. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it really helps me out. So this is going to be the other part of the Kizer unboxing from the other day. This was the other little package that was in there. And I'm just as unsure of what this is going to be as I was the other one. But we're going to find out together. That's the cool thing about it. And this is the Kizer Aggressor that is designed in collaboration with Assassin Knives. It is micarta with a Stonewash 154 cm blade, and it has a steel liner. So I'm guessing, assuming, pretty sure that this is going to come in under their budget line, which in my experience Kizer does budget very well. So we got a chili pepper sticker, a Kizer sticker, warranty, cleaning cloth, extra hardware, always like to see that. And then this knife, which is a little bit bigger than I didn't even know what to expect, guys. I'll be honest with you. I did not know what this knife was going to be. We're looking at it for the first time. My first observation is the scales look like burlap micarta, and they look like they are very thick. So it looks like it's going to be a nice knife in grip. And these burlap micarta scales are done exceptionally well. By the time I do the review on this knife, I think you guys will see that these scales take on a life of their own. Look at the thickness of those. Got a steel liner. Must be the model number of the knife. Front flipper. Okay. Guys, you know what I say about front flipper only knives? They're my least favorite. And here we are faced with a front flipper only. But guess what? It front flips very well. You don't have any exposed tab. You know, any tab back here, any pocket pecker, so to speak. You've just got this nice jimped area with this little bit of curve that gives you plenty of room with the way that this knife grips. And you've got this nice little 3-inch some odd blade. I guess it's a drop point, clip point. Looks very neutral yet pokey, stabby. It looks kind of like looks a little daggery to me, even though it's not. I know it's a drop point. You don't have to leave me comments. I keep looking for a flipper, but it is a front flipper. And it has really good action. It snaps. I think I can probably really get used to this. I doubt I can do a reach. Well, I can do a reach over. I never feel real comfortable with the reach over because with a clip, with the pocket clip, and this is a really nice deep carry stamp clip. Not reversible, but it's deep carry and it's stamped. I don't feel as comfortable doing a front flip because I'm not holding on to that clip. But this does give you a full hand, nice. It's a nice feeling tool. I'm gonna guess. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing, first impressions. But I'm gonna guess it is around the same size as the bug out, even though it is going to be considerably thicker, not in blade stock, but in handle. And this Assassin, what's that say? Aggressor. I'm going to have to grab, where did I set my county com? Here it is. I can't tell what that, Assassin. Yeah, that's just the Assassin. Aggressor, what does that say? So collaboration, you got your blade steel right there. A collaboration knife, and I'm assuming collaboration for the fact that they've got Assassin knives, and Assassin has their maker's mark here on the blade. Let's see how, because it looks, even though you got this nice swedge, this tall flat grind, it does look like a little bit thicker knife. Just lays that paper apart. It is very, very therapeutically slicey. It's very comfortable in my hand. Let's one of our little test boxes here. Very comfortable in hand. You've got this nice kind of contouring right here in the center and right here where your fingers rest. I just point that out. I don't know if you can see it, but it does make a difference. It does make the knife, by it not being so thin, it feels very, very solid. Feels like I would not get a lot of fatigue using this knife if I was breaking down a lot of cardboard, if I was getting into yeah, guys, that is an interesting specimen from Kizer, and I'm so glad I reached out and inquired about a couple of knives from them, because it's been a while. The last knives I bought were let's see, gave the Phoenix away, Maddie's knife, gave the Mercury away. I still think I have, and I may have given away the Ray Laconico, what's that one called? The, oh, I forget. Titanium with the blade hole. Really nice knife. One of my favorites. But guys, they do such a good job. This knife, to be a front flipper only in Micarta. Again, this is just an unboxing, but I will leave a link to Kizer's store so we can get an idea how much this costs. I'm guessing it's going to be pretty much a value knife. Stonewash blade. Let me grab my rag and just clean that blade off for you, so your last view of it is not just all smutsy. Get some of my KPL blade cleaner. Get it to break that tape down. There you go. I like the blade steel being 154. I like the shape of the blade. I think it looks neutral, but it's a functional knife. Kind of reminds me of an old school kind of hunting knife, small hunting knife, but this is a mid-sized knife. I can get a full grip on it. You've got what I consider to be a solid build, because you've got full steel liners, got your stop pin, where's that stop pin hitting? Stop pin's hitting right behind there. It looks like it's on that flat. Yeah. So your stop pin's hitting right here where it's already getting fat, so that's not going to get too much into your sharpening. Got a nice few sharpenings there. Really soft burlap micarta handles. They feel almost not spongy, but just soft. Spongy is the wrong word. Just kind of organic. They feel really nice. And you've got this micarta backspacer that has a lanyard hole if you like lanyards. Skeletonized scales, so it is hollowed out. Guys, we will weigh it. We will check it out. I will carry it, let you know what I think, and I'll give you my full thoughts. But guys, that is the Kizer Aggressor Slurpee Saver, a collaboration with Assassin Knives. Fantastic feeling little knife, very unique, not something I was expecting. I did not try to see how it goes in and out of pocket. Like butter, deep carry clip. This spoon is done very, very well. I didn't feel it when I was cutting, and I'll tell you, it goes right in and out of that pocket. So guys, that is the Aggressor. Thank you for Kizer for sending that in to share with you guys. Once we've tested it and run it through its paces, make sure it becomes a Friday Night Flicks giveaway. But guys, I appreciate you. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again. If you're so inclined to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. Feel free to like the video if you'd like. It allegedly helps me in the algorithm. And please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.